Hello everybody, welcome to another video, a very special video this one. This is my first song. I actually wrote a song and I've made a song all about Audis. Yes, it had to be all about Audis, didn't it? So there will be no talking all the way through this. It's just going to be the song and a few Audi clips that I have. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. Oh, and I will put the lyrics in the bottom left hand side. They do mess up a little bit, but it's the best I could do, I'm afraid.
In the London streets they roll, German steel, it takes control. Shiny emblem on the hood, fast and sleek, like it should. Every corner, every line, always an Audi in sight. Cruise smooth through the town, in your rear view they're found. It's always an Audi in the fast lane. Yeah, it's always an Audi, it can't be tamed. Through the city lights on a Friday night, it's always an Audi, feel the speed ignite. From the suburbs to downtown, in a flash they zoom around. Styling sharp, feeling grand, Audi grips the streets on hand. Never slowing down, they own the road. Through the old town, in sleep mode. It's always an Audi in the fast lane. Yeah, it's always an Audi. It can't be tamed through the city lights on a Friday night. It's always an Audi, feel the speed ignite. From the suburbs to downtown, in the night. It's always an Audi in the fast lane. Yeah, it's always an Audi. It can't be tamed through the city lights on a Friday night. Through the city lights on a Friday night. It's always an Audi, feel the speed ignite. It's always an Audi in the fast lane. Yeah, it's always an Audi. It can't be tamed through the city lights on a Friday night. It's always an Audi, feel the speed ignite. From the suburbs to downtown, in the night.
So let us know what you think in the comments down below. Be nice, it was my first attempt. Thanks for watching guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.